Welcome back, everyone, and thanks for joining today's video, where we focus on improving your privacy on mobile browsing. In this video, you will learn how to lock incognito tabs in the Carbon browser on your mobile device. First, open the Carbon browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration page. After that, find and tap on Privacy and Security to access your browsing data options. Next, find the option labeled Lock Incognito Tabs when you leave tabs and turn this option on by tapping the toggle. Once enabled, your incognito tabs will automatically lock whenever you leave the browser, adding an extra layer of security to your private browsing sessions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.